If you want to add payment method on the Nintendo Switch 2, first of all, we're gonna go to Nintendo eShop. Let's proceed by selecting the user. Over here, go to your profile in the top right corner. There we go. Go to settings, and over here in settings, you should be able to find the credit card information or PayPal account. Now, if you want to add a credit card, then over here you will find a save button, so you want to select it in order to add the details of your credit card. If you want to use PayPal account, then you will have the set button here. And of course, we can also choose the desired payment method that you want to use for automatic renewals and pre-order payments. So here we can choose credit card, PayPal, or funds only. So of course we can also check our funds over here by choosing our profile at the top. Here is our current balance, and of course if you want to add funds, then you can press this button and you can once again use credit card or PayPal account, or you can redeem a Nintendo eShop card over here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.